Hi everyone, and welcome to the Hit Parade Golden Signatures baseball card box break. Let's get into it. With 27 spots, we have BEB PK7, and with 3 spots, we have Sherlyn Anderson. Alright, let's copy our list and paste it on randomize.org. Alright, we'll randomize our list 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. BEB on the top and BEB at the bottom. Alright, before I start this, I just forgot to say, I have some spots left for the Golden Signatures football break. Last break, we pulled a Dan Marino autograph. Same price as this one. I think, yeah, it's a really good break. Alright, let's copy our new list. Sorry, I forgot to say that at the beginning of the video. So, yeah. Alright. Let's paste our new list. Alright. BEB with the Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox, Cubs, White Sox, Reds, Indians, Rockies, Tigers, Astros. Where am I? Royals, Angels, Dodgers. Sherlyn with the Marlins. BEB with the Brewers, Twins, Mets, Yankees, Athletics. Sherlyn with the Phillies and Pirates. BEB with the Padres, Giants, Mariners, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Alright, let's open up our box. Alright. Sealed on all sides. Alright, let's open up this box. Oh, it's cutting into the side. Never mind. That's not good. Alright, there. There it goes. Alright. See what we got. I just love doing these ones. They're just so great. Alright. Whoa. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. The Kid. Ken Griffey Jr. Numbered 44 out of 99. Woohoo! The Kid. Oh, man. What a card right there. Wow. Wow. That's something. I don't know. Tell me if that tops the Mariano card from last break. I'm trying to think if it tops that. I'm not sure. It's a close call, definitely. I mean, it's Ken Griffey Jr., but Mariano Rivera, he could be the first unanimous, first ballot Hall of Famer. I mean, he's the all-time save leader, but it's Ken Griffey Jr. right here. The Kid. Wait, wasn't he a unanimous vote? Or was it just by one? I'm gonna look that up, but not now. Alright, that's gonna go to the what jersey is he in? Cincinnati Reds? Yeah, that's the Cincinnati Reds. Oh, wait, no, wait, but it's the White Sox card. Ooh. Alright, I think both teams are of BEB PK7. White Sox is BEB, Cincinnati Reds is BEB. So either way, it goes to BEB PK7. Alright, congratulations, you win a autograph card by the Kid. Alright, I'm posting another one of these breaks if you guys want to check that out. Like I said, I also have the football one, which is really nice. Thank you so much for joining the break. It really does mean a lot to me, and I really do enjoy doing these things. You never know what you're gonna find. That's the fun part. And today we found someone great, a legend. Top 100 and top 100 all-time baseball players right there. Thanks again, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.